Go to here. How much is it?
1 hour,
How much?
1,000 baht.
1,000 baht.
1 hour come back here.
Okay, where do you go?
The Mont Kong, Mont Cha Phraya.
Hmm?
Stay được 5 minutes, you take another call. They allow 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour come back here.
Good.
Yeah, good night. Yeah, the big Buddha. Floating
Yeah.
market, picture, video, big Buddha. The Mont Kong. Yeah.
1,000 baht. Okay.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I'll go next time.
You do the big Buddha.
Is it fast?
Yeah, big Buddha.
Oh, wow.
Very nice.
Okay.
Yeah, both the same for the boat.
Okay, thank you. Is it well worth it, yeah, guys? Yeah, I suppose it was.